Wanna know how to unblock someone on Facebook app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on these 3 straight paddle lines on the top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy below Help and Support. Tap on Settings below it. Tap on this magnifying glass icon on the top right corner. Tap on Search Settings. Insert here Blocking. Tap on this blocking below. You can see that they're all of the blocked people from your blocked list. Tap on Unblock next to their name if you want to unblock them. And if you're sure, tap on Unblock on the bottom right. Just by doing it, you have successfully unblocked this particular account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am gonna see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.